Look how mean he is.
Don't do the fake smile.
Hey, in this video, we're going to remove the batteries. Batteries are located under the driver's side. There's 4. The skirting has to come off. Let's pull them out. All right, guys, if you haven't seen my other video on how to take off the fairings, you better check them out because it was a lot of fun. All right, I have 1 new battery and 3 old ones, and I started smelling sulfur, and then it wouldn't start with the headlights on, so I had to turn the headlights off, and then it barely started. So this morning I put on charge for 2 days, nothing. It didn't want to charge. Whoa. So today we're going to just put new batteries in, and then also in a different video we're going to drop this tank and replace the sending unit and the wiring. And also today in my location, heat wave. I mean, I'm already pouring sweat. It is so muggy, so humid, it's crazy. Hey, let's do this. All right, on this battery box, you've got this piece here that comes out. This piece here. Here's a bolt, here's a bolt, here's a bolt. 11 millimeter. So we're gonna take that out and pull that off, and it should be easy to get the batteries out. All right, vlog, so we got this deal here. Huge long extension. I'm on it, but I can't tell what's going on. So we got to turn you around and see what's going on. Hopefully you can see. What is that? Hey, also a pro tip. I like to leave all my tools and screws together in one spot. Like, I know I'm not going to be using 11 probably, so I just put all the tools and screws right there. But yeah, let's pull this off. All right, let's pull that off there. Yay, that was awesome. All right, these are 9/16, and I'll probably break them, but we're gonna put some anti-seize on there. I usually use PB Blaster, but WD is all I can find right now. Never had PB Blaster for a long time, honestly. We're gonna let them soak for a minute and then try. Nice and soaked. I'm just gonna try to take this whole side off. Maybe I have enough leverage. I'll take a picture of how the cables are set up. I'll go ahead and put in the new lines for the new power inverter and pull the old one out too, and that'll be on a different video. And once you get that loose enough, you can pull them out of their little resting places down there. All right, guys, today we're going to be replacing a aging power inverter. This is an Ingersoll Rand, part of the Thermo King Tri-Pack Evolution. This is part of it. This is a modified sine wave, and it is also pulling way too many amps at idle, so it's gone. I'll show you how. So this is the dangerous, but I just took a big video and a bunch of pictures, just showing every connection, where it goes, where it's been. If you only take off the connections that are connected to the battery, everything else holds together. Weird, why is it 9/16? All right, well, that's what that is. All right, guys, it's Bushy Beard back again. Okay, so I got the batteries out. I'm also trying to shoot 2 other videos at the same time, but we're going to remove the power inverter cables before we put the batteries back in. Well, after we get the batteries in, we'll do that. But guys, I don't know. I don't see any evidence of gassing or anything. Looks kind of swollen here. That one don't. This one had almost 13 volts. I'm sorry, this one had 11.5. The new one had 11.9. This one had 13.4, and that one had 13.4. I don't know what's going on, but it wasn't enough to even start it. With them all together, it was 11.4 or something. So I got this one on charge. This is a new one. We're 11.9 now. And then I'm going, that's a messy garage. I'm going to Napa in the Toyota with baby Lily and take these back. Those are 27 bucks a piece for core, so I was going to keep them, you know, build a, I don't know, do something fun with them, but solar generator or some crap, but nah, we'll just put them in here and wash up and get out of here. I'll let you know what happened. Are you ready? All right, let's see where we're at on this one. 3.2, whatever that is, and 11.9. All right, let's go. Hop up in there. I don't believe it, guys, but it says it's 86 outside. Nah. What's it feel like outside, Lillian? What's it feel like outside?
Like
1,000? 99? Yeah, that's about right. There they are, guys. 157 a pop. You know how much I paid for this one at the shop? 250 before they even installed it. Yeah. So now we're just gonna put them back in there. Everything held together. I thought I was gonna have to undo these. I wrote numbers and everything. See the red marker back there? But no, everything stays together. These do, and then that's what actually connects to the battery terminals, those. And there's a total of 8. So that's easy. Yeah, so decided not to do the fuel sending unit. I can't drop the tank. I can't even get the soot off, guys. There's so much. So heat index is over 100 degrees out here. It is crazy hot. And I just need to do the basics, or the main parts, you know, the battery and that inverter. I have a feeling that inverter is what's killing my batteries because it's just messed up. Maybe not though, but yeah, we're gonna have all new batteries. One's only a month and a half older than the rest, so hopefully that'll be what the truck wants. What the truck wants, it gets. 3 batteries in. See what this one's charged at. 12.6. We're good to go. Good to go. Rescue Peter the possum. This little guy was found in one of my buckets that had some oil that wasn't completely drained out, and Shelby's been bathing him. A little bit of Dawn to get the oil off, and at first, guys, he wouldn't move at all. Now he tries to walk away slowly, and he likes to try to bite.
We were supposed to be gone like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, we're on our way to Florida, and we ain't even left the house.
I don't know.
Make sure you watch Verts videos and this trucking life. Under the porch. Look how mean he is. Look how cute he is. He just... Oh, I gotta get to that. That's too cute. Well, I was editing this video and realized that I never showed you the complete product here. Here they are. They're all in there just as easy as can peasy. I did not change the line for the APU. I'm sorry, for the inverter, but the one I bought, the Livian, it's really easy to hook up, and luckily the wires are not the problem. So that's what I got. 4,000 pure, 8,000 max. Runs my microwave, fan, everything. I'm just trying to show you it's possible to do things with little to no knowledge working on trucks. As long as you got some mechanical aptitude. Our outlets are facing upwards, I guess.